How to fix Instagram features you cannot use in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your app store and then search here Instagram. Now click on Instagram. Firstly check your Instagram will be update or not. If it doesn't update your Instagram, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, then go back to your screen and open your Instagram and then click on your account. Now on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option help. Now click on help and then click on account status. Now here you can see features you cannot use. Now click on it. Now here you can see what this means, what you can do. After that, go back and open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Instagram and then offload your Instagram app and then reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.